My name is Clint Dubieniecki. I'm Managing Director of Orpheus Uranium. So Orpheus is focused on developing a geologically relevant portfolio of uranium-focused tenure within South Australia, in particular South Australia, Northern Territory, and we've recently extended out into Western Australia. So we've got probably two projects that we look at as our flagship. Our Pirrie Basin project, which is adjacent to an £18.5 million uranium deposit that's being developed. So that's a long strike from that particular deposit. So we really look at that as having a really good entry point for us to come into, whilst the Frome project in a similar situation where it's adjacent to Gould's Dam, a £25 million resource, again sharing geological synergy. So having those two projects there provides multiple opportunities, multiple prospects for us to explore for uranium. So a lot of historical work to date. So we see quite a cyclic nature in uranium exploration. So people have left these projects based upon economics as opposed to lack of ability to discover mineralization. So the Frome projects had about 80,000 meters of drilling, the last of which was back in the 2010s, the last uranium boom. We're leveraging off our level of internal expertise. All of our geologists have uranium or contemporary uranium experience with everything from exploration to production. So leveraging off that technical intelligence to come back into that particular project and refine drilling targets, whilst the Pirrie Basin has been limited exploration since 1970 because it's been held by copper gold explorers through that period. So we really see that as an opportunity to extract value through technical intelligence and driving forwards with a known mineralizing system. So the infrastructure around the area, we've got Pirrie Basin has main roads, towns, power, so all in close proximity. The Frome project's a little bit more regional. However, we know that there's been mines that have been established within that particular area and it has the capacity to be able to be developed reasonably easily. Yeah, we've been quite well funded. So in February, we did a strategic placement that had a cornerstone investor in IsoEnergy, TSX, NYSE listed $1 billion company. So we managed to put money in the bank there. And so we've got a really good line of sight to have money to then complete the activities and are working towards advanced stage activities on the project. So I think we're working to continue to develop both our portfolio, so bringing in geologically relevant tenure that's driven by the increasing uranium price, so having a market relation there, which we can see has been affecting the share price at the moment. Whereas we're also looking at undertaking advanced stage activities at the right time, so that once we get out there, get on the ground and start to do these geological or drilling and the likes, then yeah, we're going to see some catalysts occur there from potential discovery. Yeah, so we announced the strategic partnership in February with IsoEnergy. So they're an ASX, NYSE listed company, a global company worth about or market capitalization of $1 billion. So that was really good to bring them on at about a 6 to 7% pro forma holding after the placement.